Hello. Long time no see. It's been a minute. I had a couple issues. My laptop was broken and then my camera broke. I had to get my laptop fixed, buy a new camera. I got this like Sony white camera. It's really cute, but it didn't come with a battery charger and it was just like the weirdest thing ever. So then I had to order a battery charger and it still says that the battery is not charged. So I don't really know what to do about that, but it's the start of a spring semester. I have a lot to do for classes and stuff today, also just like getting organized. My room is a mess, so we gotta do something about that as well. Let's do a clean of my room real quick. All right, my room it's clean. I just have to do a little bit more laundry. But I got a new camera because when I was home, I was brushing off my car and my mom came outside and I had like filmed myself. I put my camera on top of her car and she went to like open the trunk and didn't realize that my camera was there, and I was like on the other side of the car brushing it off, so I didn't see her, and she opened the trunk and my camera fell off the car and it like literally looked like the like meme of the water bottle when like someone's getting tickled. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Maybe not. But anyways, my camera got really screwed up, so it wasn't working anymore and it literally wouldn't even turn on. So I got a new camera and I'm still trying to get it figured out, and yesterday it just kept glitching and turning off. It's the next day now and I self-tanned last night, which is why I might look a little bit orange. We got to take this off right now. I was also supposed to go get my COVID booster today and I slept through it. It was early this morning and I slept through it. It's 10 o'clock now and it was at 9, so that's terrible. So mad at myself for that. So I need to schedule a new appointment right now because my university requires it to go to in-person classes. This is my little box of like skincare and things that I use all the time. These are the self-tanning drops that I use. I really like them. They're the Isle of Paradise. See, this camera's just so much better, and like look at it adjusting the light right now. I should probably like watch some videos on this camera, but I don't have the time, okay? I'm a college student and I have so much work to do all the time. It's Wednesday right now and it's my friend Mallory's, one of my roommates, it's her boyfriend's birthday tonight. So we're all gonna go out for his birthday. So I'm all self-tanned and ready to go out. And I never show me going out or like getting ready to go out. If I'm ever filming and I'm going out that night, like I just finished filming before that. So I think today I'm gonna do like a little get ready with me. I think that would be fun. Not today, but like later. I went to the gym yesterday for the first time in the whole year, actually. This is my new camera. Also, I'm going to talk to you guys about where I've been and what's just been going on in a second. We can go grab a coffee and chat. I'm also going to make a to-do list in a minute, but we have a new roommate. If you don't know, I live in a house with 7 girls, including myself and Kitty, and we just got a new roommate. We can go meet her. These rings are my favorite. I wear them every single day and I'm so excited to be working with this company again. So thank you to Orate for sponsoring today's video. They are a fine jewelry brand founded by women for women. And their pieces are insanely good quality. They're real gold, which means you never have to take them off. You could shower in them, work out in them, cook in them, sleep in them, whatever you want to do in them. It's truly jewelry for life and they know this, so they give you a lifetime warranty because they know these pieces are going to last you forever. And Orate sells directly to you, which means you're getting high quality jewelry for low prices because they've taken out that middleman markup and selling it directly to you. And they also just do good, which makes me love this company even more. Everything is ethically sourced and sustainably made, so we can all shop with a sparkling conscience. And they also give back and support various causes, stuff with the environment and things like empowering women and children, those in need, so that's also great. For 20% off your first Orate purchase, you can go to oratenewyork.com/Brooke and use my promo code Brooke. That's 20% off with no minimum spending. They rarely have deals, you guys, so definitely go take advantage of this while I have this promo for my viewers. Once again, go to oratenewyork.com/Brooke to get 20% off your first purchase. This is the new roommate! Hello! She's so little. I don't even think you could tell. This is a big squish. She's so tiny. You can't even tell how tiny she is on camera, though. This is Daisy. Whoa!
Sit. 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 Sit.
I don't wanna. Daisy do. Daisy has a little Daisy. Her and Kitty, it's a process. They're making progress, though.
They are.
They're making progress. Kitty doesn't really know what to think yet. Daisy! New roommate, you're so sweet. Oh, Daisy. Oh, Daisy. Oh. Daisy do. Kitty does not have it. She doesn't want to play. Yeah. She will, maybe one day. They just look at each other.
I know, they just stare.
They just look at each other. You'll be friends one day. I'm gonna run to Target right now. I need a few things. I also want to go get a coffee and I brought my textbooks from last semester that I need to return and get my new textbooks for the semester. So I'll do that as well, but I think that's gonna be like an after the Target.
Hello, what can I get started for you?
Hi, could I please get a venti iced peach green tea lemonade? And can I have light ice with that?
Absolutely.
And then could I also get the bacon egg bites?
Yeah. Anything else?
No, that's all.
All right, $9.65.
Thank you. Did you hear my music start to play right when it was actually like a hello. It was actually a Snapchat ad. I'm really excited to get this drink and my food and then just like talk to you guys because I haven't posted in so long and it really just sucked, and I'm really happy that I'm filming right now, and yeah, I just feel really good and happy. But I want to explain like why I wasn't posting because there's like a variety of reasons. So
hello.
Hi.
Did you want a straw at all?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Did you want the receipt at all?
No, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Ooh. I haven't had like refresher or anything in so long from there, and I love their peach green tea. I've been doing really good actually not getting Starbucks, and then I got it a few days ago and just got it again, but I've been doing so good not buying coffee. Anyways, lots of reasons why I wasn't posting. First reason, before I even went home for winter break, mid-December, my laptop broke. So I had to go get that fixed, and it was a big old process because I was home in New York when I was getting it fixed, but then I had to get it like shipped here because they said it was going to take longer than it actually took. But it ended up being ready in like 2 days, so I could have had it sent back in New York where I was at the time. So then it was sent here and was just being held here for like weeks. And I was so nervous they were going to send it back, and I was like, how do I get this laptop? Then my camera broke, which I talked about earlier, so I had to get a new camera, and then for some reason they don't give you the battery charger with this camera when you get it, so I had to go buy a battery charger. And then on top of it all, over New Year's, I got COVID on Christmas, so like everyone in my family got COVID when we were all together on Christmas, sadly. So I was so sick. Honestly, I have both of the vaccines. I'm getting my booster. I just scheduled my appointment for Monday because I missed my one this morning. So I'm going to get that Monday, but I've had the 2 other vaccines, and I just had I've never been so sick. I was down so bad. I couldn't even leave bed. My lymph nodes were so swollen. I couldn't even swallow. I had body aches. I had really bad flu symptoms. And yeah, I don't know when the last time was I've ever been that sick. It was really bad. I couldn't do anything. Just watched a lot of TV and I drank hot tea. I couldn't even eat. It was so painful. So I had COVID, and then I came back to school and I had to get my laptop. I had to buy a new camera, get it shipped here. Then I needed to buy a battery charger, and then for some reason my camera was giving me a hard time and it kept glitching when I was trying to film. It was just glitching and turning off. Are you serious? Why am I having all of these technological issues? It was just so frustrating. So for the past month, I've just been itching to post or like knowing that I need to post and I like want to make videos and I just wasn't able to, like all these problems. And then I've also been having a hard time because I go on TikTok a lot and my TikTok is like filled with all these like pretty girls, and I just feel like I'm seeing all these like influencers and stuff, and I'm like, these girls are so pretty and cool, and I'm like, I'm just nothing like these girls. Not that I like need to be like these girls, but like I don't even want to say that because obviously I'm on there like comparing myself, and I'm just like, I'm looking at all these girls and I'm like, why would anybody even want to watch me? Like why anybody even want to watch like my videos and me and what I'm doing and like want to like be friends with me and like my life and whatever. And that's just been hard. And then I have been having like a lot of thoughts about that, and I didn't really know how to explain it very well. I listen to The Morning Toast every morning. It's a podcast. I watch their YouTube episode though. It's like two sisters and they talk about like pop culture and they just like chat, and I love their dynamic because they're sisters. They're just really funny. And they were talking about how they said something about how like YouTubers are like, you have to kind of like show more personality because TikTok is just like, it could be like a 5-second to like 20-second clip, and it's like maybe it's just these girls like flexing or like anything like that, or even if it's not, but like YouTube, it's just you're trying to entertain for like at least 10 minutes. So basically what they were saying was they were talking about interviews, and then like some TikToker like in an interview just like really wasn't good at like talking and wasn't the nicest, didn't have much like to say or like personality, or just didn't come across the best way. And they were talking about how like YouTubers were used to seeing them like just talking really well and friendly and like warm or whatever, being better at that kind of thing like sometimes, at least compared to this one interview they were talking about. And it kind of made me feel a little bit better because they were talking about how like, you know, YouTube, you're entertaining, you're talking for like at least 10 minutes. I was like, you know what, like I have people that watch my videos, you know, like I love you guys and we're friends. The people that want to watch me can watch me, and I kind of just feel like I need to root myself back in like why I'm doing all of this, like why I like to do this, because it's just been hard lately like comparing myself to all the beautiful TikTokers that I see. Not even TikTokers, like literally just like random girls that are all over my For You page that are just so pretty and fit and funny and pretty. So I have been struggling a little bit with that. But if any of you guys have like relate or have any like thoughts that kind of help you when you start to feel like that or get caught in those like cyclical thoughts, let me know, because that has been a thing lately. But let's drop it. I apologize. I'm back. No more technological issues, okay? Knock on wood. There's no wood for me to knock on. But hopefully everything's fine, and hopefully there will be no more issues with that. And I am back, and I'm really excited. I actually am debating on lightening my load this semester so that I can put more time into YouTube and finishing up my classes and graduating after this summer, because right now I'm taking 18 credits, which is another reason why I've been so busy. Oh wait, actually I need to eat these egg bites and then we'll go into Target.
All my life I want money if I respect my mind or die from last child. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this nine is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and vroom vroom I'm racing. Popping pills in the lobby and I pray they don't find her naked.
Whoa. Went a little crazy in there, not gonna lie. Just bought like a bunch of stuff, not even anything like really that fun, but I'm all showered and I'm getting ready to go out. But I used my like Revlon blow dryer, and this side looks good, but then this side like completely fell out. So I might go like with a curler on this side, and then I don't know. I gotta do my makeup. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like a little bra top and then this cute little satiny shirt. Got a new beauty blender today at Target. Does anybody else have like chronically chapped lips? Because I haven't found a solution. Vaseline and Aquaphor don't do it for me, but it is the best thing that I've used yet. But yeah, it really just doesn't do it for me. I already have moisturizer on. NARS concealer.
Bitch, you thirsty, please grab Sprite. My crib's lurking, don't die tonight. I just wanna dance with you, baby. Just don't move too fast, I'm too crazy. Man, down the ave and get shaded. Take a nigga mind off that. We can dip fuck in the whip, slide right back in the function.
Leah, show your pants. Leah's trying to figure out a top to wear with these pants.
Fun
That top
pants.
looks cute.
Yeah, it's just like very not Wednesday. Like I feel like I'm going to like Lollapalooza.
Alrighty. So this is the look. We got some jeans from American Eagle, Docs. This little, the bra is Victoria's Secret. This is from Princess Polly. I really like it. It's kind of cute. I don't know, it's like fun with the little bra showing right here, but like it won't really be showing very much. I will talk to you guys in the morning. Bye.